My dear brother, General Saddam, and your great father, Marshal Haftar, is not here today. First of all, on my personal behalf and on behalf of my delegation, I'm extremely grateful for the warm reception which was extended to us and the hospitality which since yesterday we are enjoying. That is indicative of the warmth of the relationship which exists between Pakistan and Libya. Undoubtedly, we have deep-seated, historic, brotherly relationship which is existing between the two countries since 60s. It was great that few months ago, General Saddam, he visited us in Pakistan, and that has actually triggered the revival of the relationship between two brotherly countries. So since I had promised my brother when he visited Pakistan that very soon that I would be visiting Libya, so that is why that I have come here to fulfill that promise, and it's great that I came here. My dear brothers, today that we look at the world, we find especially the Muslim world in great difficulty and pain. In the past almost 20 years, what we have witnessed, that 7 or 8 magnificent Muslim countries, one after the other, have been destroyed. And the Muslim world, unfortunately, today has fallen to the treacheries, to the machinations, and to the conspiracies of those that who want to ensure the downfall of the Muslim world. In today's world, there is no rule of law. Actually, it is the law of the jungle which prevails, and the law of the jungle is might is right. And this might which resides somewhere else today, and it's not there with the Muslim world, is essentially because of the possession of the knowledge that they have taken from us. And this was our religion, in which the first thing that was revealed was Iqra bi-ismi rabbika allazi khalaq. And it is our religion in which Allah Almighty has ordained us to gather as much of power as possible. وَأَعِدُّوا لَهُم مَّا اسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن قُوَّةٍ وَمِن رِّبَاطِ الْخَيْلِ تُرْهِبُونَ بِهِ عَدُوَّ اللَّهِ وَعَدُوَّكُمْ وَآخَرِينَ مِن دُونِكُمْ. That we were asked, Muslims, and that we were supposed to be ready with the utmost of our power to strike terror in the hearts of those that who are the enemies of Allah and our enemies, and those that we do not know but Allah knows. That power is with someone else. And my dear brother, this is again a universal principle. Who dares wins, and who doesn't dare cannot win. And again a universal principle given to us by Allah Almighty. Inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim. And you see the portrait of the great leader that is right in front of you, the Field Marshal Haftar. He dared and he won. And for the sake of his country, he refused to bow before those evil forces, and he decided to stand up. Started off his struggle with just 150 fighters. And you see that where Libya is standing today. And you know, when Musa alayhi salam, he was pleading his people to enter into that sacred land, and they were refusing. And they never wanted to enter the sacred land, which is there in Quran. But at that time, وَقَالَ رَجُلَانِ مِنَ الَّذِينَ يَخَافُونَ أَنْعَمَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِمُ ادْخُلُوا عَلَيْهِمُ الْبَابَ فَإِذَا دَخَلْتُمُوهُ فَإِنَّكُمْ غَالِبُونَ. He decided to enter, regardless of the strength. With 150, he decided to raise the flag. So, أنعم الله عليهم ادخلوا عليهم الباب فإذا دخلتموه فإنكم غالبون. So he became Ghalib. And you know, we just had a war with our adversary, India. The first thing that you have to throw out of your heart is the fear. The moment you throw out the fear, then you can do any wonder in this world that you want to. And Alhamdulillah, Pakistan learned this lesson long ago. So that is why we said that we will do anything possible, but we will have our own technology. In our just recent war with India, and we have shown our technology to the world. Alhamdulillah, our Air Force using that technology, and that is 90% of the indigenous technology of Pakistan. And Alhamdulillah, with His blessings, His nusra and His mercies, the air domain, Rafale, Su-30, MiG-29, Virat 2000, Alhamdulillah, S-400, all taken out. And as I said last night also to my brother Saddam, that every piece of equipment and technology which is there with Pakistan is available for our brothers. Yeah, in terms of any assistance that you need from Pakistan, that will be available at your doorsteps, inshallah. And this relationship is not new. It was existing since 60s. And here in Libya, there used to be a huge presence of the Pakistani instructors from Air Force, from Navy, and from other departments here. And we will take our relationship back to that level where it used to be. And in the other domains that my brother mentioned about, you know, in the domain of the mines and the minerals, etc., and the construction, all this, we will encourage the Pakistani companies to come and invest in Libya and undertake joint ventures with you. And I'm very hopeful that under the leadership of Field Marshal Haider and brother Saddam, Libya is going to touch those heights of the glory which it used to be in the past, and it's going to happen very soon. But as a brother, this is my humble advice to you, that please make your armed forces as strong as possible, because armed forces, they guarantee the existence of countries. I'm very, very positive in this, very confident. Libya is a land of line of desert, al-Mukhtar. So here, if need be, every son of this land can become al-Mukhtar for the defense of Libya. Once again, brothers, I extend my deepest gratitude for the hospitality extended to me and my delegation. And Pakistan, Libya, brotherhood, may it be a long living brotherhood. Thank you very much.